If your Craftsman rear engine router will not start and does not click or make a sign at all when the key is turned to the start position, I suggest that your first troubleshooting step will be to check if your 15 amp fuse is blown. Keep watching and I'll show you where the fuse is located, and also at the end of the video I will show you how to test the fuse using a continuity tester. Your fuse is located right there. It'll be right above your battery and right in front of your starter solenoid. The fuse has been removed and it is blown. Let's install a new fuse and see what happens when we turn the key to the start position. Always remember that checking and replacing a blown fuse will save you time, money, and frustration and prevent you from purchasing parts that are non-refundable that would not resolve the issue. The fuse on the left is a blown fuse and the fuse on the right is a good fuse. This is the blown fuse that I removed from the rear engine router. It has no continuity when attached to the continuity tester. This is the good fuse and it shows continuity when tested with the continuity tester. If this video has been helpful to you, please take a moment to like the video and share it with someone who may find it helpful as well. Also, leave a question or comment. I do respond to all questions and to all comments. I welcome you to subscribe to this channel to be notified of my upcoming how-to videos. And as always, thanks for watching.